In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 3 different adaptive moving averages indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to find the indicator, add it to your chart, and adjust the basic settings so it's ready to use in your own trading. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is the same. At the top of your screen, you'll see the main toolbar. Look for the Indicators button, usually labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the Indicators window, where you can search for and add any indicator you want. Once the Indicators panel is open, move to the search bar at the top of that window. This is where you'll type the name of the indicator you're looking for. Click into the search bar so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. Now type in the full name, 3 different adaptive moving averages. As you type, TradingView will start showing matching results below. Make sure you select the one that exactly matches that title. When you see it appear in the list, simply click on it once. As soon as you do, it will automatically be added to your chart. You should now see 3 adaptive moving average lines displayed over your price candles. Next, let's quickly look at the settings so you know where to customize things. On your chart, move your mouse over to the name of the indicator, usually shown at the top left of the chart area. You'll see a small gear or settings icon next to the indicator name. Click on that icon to open the settings panel. Here you can change inputs like lengths or smoothing options, and you can also adjust the colors and line thickness for each of the 3 moving averages. Take a moment to style them in a way that's easy for you to read, for example by using different colors for each line so you can quickly tell them apart. Once you're happy with the way everything looks, you're ready to start using the 3 different adaptive moving averages in your analysis. And if you want to unlock more features in TradingView Pro or follow along exactly as I do, be sure to use the sign up link that I've placed in the video description.